Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a few seconds. Guess I play ball today. Start one command in the terminal. I'm not interested in release notes. Execute it. I have to wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. And should be ready. It runs in the browser. Localhost for me. Clear state to start new. Okay, it is. I'm the guy in the middle. I choose ball as a class. It's the sides are enemies. If I come close to them, attack me. Above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die. If I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. And now I play until I die or win. I get stronger the more enemies I kill, and enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. Ball is a relatively fast character, so I have to be careful to not go too far too soon. Just killing enemies to get some levels. Looking at my HP to know if I'm too far in or not. Take one shield, lightning strikes. Okay. Shield. To wait for more bosses to be stronger. Bonus damage. Take HP. It map. Okay. Nice. Paying attention. Waiting for more bosses, so I must kill point. The next one. Take bonus damage 2 or sync. Can I cannot dangerous. Was one more boss. Take another bounce. I take HP maybe. Wait. Okay. I guess. And more. And I didn't damage for a second. Okay, this was the one. I copy it. Ball here. Save. I had done ball. They work into next increase version. I'm on 300 today. Save. And what do I work on today? I'm still on the map modifier darkness. I can curse apply to legendary permanently. Visualize if curse. Was my state of cursing sync? Can make it close. Right. Experience is what I want. I think I fixed more stuff, so I currently lose it. One FC week. They always spawn. I'm unsure if they were part of my combat log damage done. Mein Snipe. I'm Snipe. Is there an undefined? Time ability. And is it damage meter part? Yes. Maybe I have to look into do damage. Really, okay. Curse apply to legendary permanently. The idea was different, I think. First get the curse, then I lose curse if I get to be past character, but I want to put curse on one legendary when coming boss. And when picking up legendary curse is applied to player. This should sound fine. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's pause you for a second. I currently keep. So I currently cannot put a curse on a legendary. I can change that. It's an ability. Should pets be cursed? Question. Don't need them to be cursed. Do I? I search in a legendary to curse it. No, I have to curse a class. The ability. So it's in character, maybe. It is character. I have character class in here. Character class is this one. Then player character gifted. I need a cursed value. Cursed. What is here? Curse array? Is this it? Sure. Level, and this is enough. But curse darkness, for example, has more value. Question, do I need all? I reset, they should. I undefine them, I don't delete them. These values have to exist. To put a copy. Do I make a function apply curse? Copy curse? different. Copy course would be I create one and then I set, so I only need the level. Is this okay? I guess yes. Still thinking a bit about it, but I guess problem. I go to curves. I say copy. I need a copy. I get a curse in and I return a curse. Copy function. Curse. The darkness curse doesn't matter. I return a curse. I need curse. Once the copy, and I need to copy level equals curse level. That's it. Turn copy. I can create a copy. I could export function copy curse. It's not much saved, but let's do it. Them copy turn. And now need to copy it. A minute. Character model. How was my? I have character class, which is can now be cursed, and I have curses in here. And also an area. Okay. Which means but it's not always copy if the curse is already on the target. It has to be. I don't need to take the bigger one, I guess. Which means copy curse might not be correct. apply curse. Apply curse finds it. If it's applied, it returns. Thing to apply if I already have it. So what I need is copy curse on target to target curses equals curse array to target. Which means I need to first check target curses. Find I'm interested in the index, so let's do it differently. Index where I have a curse and the curse type is equals curse type if index is bigger -1, then it exists already, else no. Target curses push. And if it exists already, then I have const target curse is it one curse or is it always I have two curse lists? I think I have source curses, copy curses to target. Curses, target curses. So I have for let curse source curses. Check if it exists in target curses. If it exists, I get it. Target curses index. Target curse level is smaller. Curse dot level. I say target curse. Also call it source curse. The question is if level alone will be enough in the long term. I don't have a set level. This will work for curse darkness, please. Okay. Now I can copy. Oh, it's probably in game. On end game. When it's a king kill. The player is king. This happens. Probably need to see my cursors to target. Still have a different function. Export function copy cursors. I'm unsure. It's first. Was I king enemy? Say I need to do here. What do I need to do here? If I would copy cursors to target, take. First, I need to check if I have the boss. If boss, I need to know which. Okay, let's do it here. Boss cursors. If I have cursors, then I need to copy them over, but I need to check use the first class. Use the first class, this is correct. The first legendary class. Okay. No, I cannot. Char class of character classes. So I have to have one boss cursors and character classes. If char class.legendary, this is true, then I copy char class.cursors. And then no, this is so I check, do I have cursors? Yes. Do I have character classes? Yes. And I check, is the character class legendary? It's not part of if class cursed is undefined, then I have char class cursed. No. First is an empty array, then I can use it. Cursors over should be it. I apply the curse to the legendary. Go from character to class. Do a function for it or not? Sure, it doesn't feel like it yet. I need legendary pickup to the curse back. character? No. Oh, where does it happen? It's a player input. Player inputs are find it. Ability action special interact keys. This was it, I guess. If it's a past character, no. Closest interactable. Interactive map object. It's a build. It's a class build. It's interact 1. Why not have functions? I'm confused. Is it not the building I interact with? Oh, this is not the map object. Map object class building that happens, okay. Borrow. Check if I can. I'm allowed to trade. Trade. I do a deep copy. I reset. Should. Let me think. I add the character class. Deep copy of it. This is fine. I to put the other thing here. Let's copy this one. Similar. I check if character class I did not remove it yet. Interactor. Okay, I have curses. Hold it cursed. I didn't see it curses and cursed. I should change it. So I check if it's cursed. I should not need to check. Probably he wants me to copy it over the character class, so I should have one, but now I'm sure. Now I go. No, no. No, it's different. I character class. It's cursed. already have the class. Need to check the interactor. Already cursed, else is already cursed. If yes, I copy curses from the character class. Okay, and name it curses. Then I should have permanent curse. Oh, I want to do one more thing. Did I do it? Play input? No. Check building. Here I curse to target. How did the visualization work? Darkness. Of here. Paint curse. Yes, visualization fade timer. That's all I need. We have to change in the future, but I think I just need to set this timer. That's all. Should I set it when I copy? If I copy and reset later, then it's gone. Let's do it for now. Copy point. I don't know the game time. Put it in game time. There be other things I want to know. It's now like it's not a copy in action. It's I only know I visualize it for others too. Want to know and pick up that I'm cursed. It could mean that the visualization fade timer is the base of a curse. Could be. This might be. Do it like this. Because have is it. I can set it. Now. Copy curses. see if I put it. What would happen if it's bigger? I would say target curves. I don't have my game timer here. State time if I have it. Put game in. Same here. Const curves. So it's this way. Oh, there should be two. Don't set game. Now I can test. We have class building. Close king is one. I have a ball. I think I want sniper. Got a sniper. I did to be cursed. First I give it some levels, so I sit, kill. Died. It's not cursed. I remember the task. On king got 5-star teleport clones. Okay. Now what was I doing? I was testing. Now F this. He did have a clone. The clone disappears. Wait a minute. Test. Okay, so the clone spawns. And now he shoots at me. I kill him. He survives. Meta. Don't have to kill him. It's fine. Now should have the sniper here, and it's cursed. I did not see that it's cursed. The curse spawns. And is the level. Now I have 2. Have to get them stuck. died. Should still be one. Wait a second. It's not a. It's my other. I get it back. I should have two. Just not displaying what I want. Because it's to target. Target curse. I say visualize. It's not what happens. I'm not cursed. I don't put any timer on it. So, seconds. Oh. I reload. No. Something doesn't add up. It's darkness. I reset it? Guess I reset it. I reset character here. Should I do it afterwards? This way I see. Then I don't reset the curse. Be fine. It's now permanent. Okay, I think I have it in where I wanted to. Curse on legendary. You know, I have when picking up legendary. These two I have. Visualize if curse. This is something I did. It's a question. Visualization effect is. I don't see the difference between these two weapons. I could also its functionality is done. Visualization is poor. So let's think visualize if cursed. Visualize clones slowly turn dark. If player dark slowly turn white question mark. I could visualize player secondary cursed. What could this be? Dark outline? Let's say we can try how to make an outline. Or general darken it if I have multiple curses. I think I want to have also cost strength, cost level. Visualize curse. Okay. Player curse by turning player darker. Curse level, something like this. But I want to add more curses. So I would need something which works with multiple curses, but I can think about it once I have multiple curses. This is more or less it. I could also make clone. Let's call it jitter. When turning. I don't know if jitter is the correct word. That is the word. Shit tiles. Yes, it's the correct word. Could also do some particle effects which come out of a weapon or the character. Then I could have different ones. Bigger depending on curse. Think. Darkest darkness. Unsure if it's 2S. By turning player darker curse level or white darker or brighter. The darker is I'm dark, I cannot see. Let's try the I can be black and white, I guess. So I have skin color and clothes color. How should I? Guess the reason the white version would be if everything is character is completely black, I should do it. Okay, let's can I do it? Cast darkness. Darkness. I have a paint which happens on paint curse. Target. Point paint position. Paint text without outline. So I paint clones are pets. They're a special type of pet. Here I paint to slowly turn him. And I want him to turn. Or they the clones cannot be completely black. I change them to white. Also an option. So why me do this? So if I create a clone, should I check in clone? Unsure. Spawn clone. Do I influence the paint stuff? In here. No, it shouldn't be an if, I think, but probably clone paint. I guess should be the case to exist, and if close color, if to be a bit shorter. Question mark equals sign. Does this have a type? No. Let's call it paint stuff. Paint stuff close color equals black. And paint stuff close color equals white. It's the same for skin color. This would mean I no longer have. See, take him. Now this white color. Okay. Him. He should be. Okay. And now I want him to. Slowly turn black and not in the last 3 seconds. Which means I would need so if I have this I have a time where he is not. Don't want to paint abilities when it starts, okay. But they might already be able to attack. Because he slowly goes, I don't want it. I think this time won't go away. To verify, tick. The moment he turns evil, I no longer do anything. I know thing sets the spawn time. I don't remove the spawn time. Spawn time plus check to give me the information what I paint. See, now I always paint two halves, but this one is dependent on factor. I am not sure if it's K or C. Factor. Factor. Font. I don't care. A factor. This is no longer the one I want. How is this set? I don't know it. The cross switch sets it. Is this the case? Yeah. A water bottle. Start turn evil. Darkness, turn evil time. Every pet I set it. I actually don't know. I do not know. It's bad. Seem to know. One time spawn delay. Start time. Can I turn evil start time? Can I do this? Does this change anything? This is undefined. I return. No, no, this will change. I will have a time, but if this is bigger game state time. This time 2 exists. No, it can be undefined still. I will let 2 be able to be undefined. If turn equals defined, or then I return. Okay, this works. And I can, the dark part, I can just say if this is undefined, I return character. Okay, I don't have the clone yet. Clone. I have here some more undefined thingies. Turn early. Now I know this has to exist. I don't know the percentage. No, I have the spawn time. Spawn time should also exist. Tick, paint. Star. time, turn timer, turn time. It's not a turn timer, it's friendly timer. Let's this way is clone. Spawn time, clone. This is it could be missing. It's not an and, it's an or. Now I can friendly timer. This is I divide by. Let me think. Should no longer exclamation mark. This should be. Aha, it says all. Okay, but it can be. So this is a bigger time now. Bigger time minus smaller, so game grows, so it goes to 0. So it's going a different route. I change it up. So it goes from 0 to 1. So I need the value set when I create the clone. Turn will start time. Do I know it here? Darkness. Turn evil time. Might be it. Take him. They don't move, they don't turn. They are broken. What did I do? The time can be undefined because I do not set it yet. Okay, so I do it after I have the time. Reload. It's weiter. I don't think they are. Oh, I realize the problem. I realize a problem. I don't paint with abilities, so actually is a problem. Okay. Have different paints. Let's do the starting paint again, which is I do not have. Kept it. Okay, I don't think I need it. Spawn time, if this is bigger, paint both, and then I paint this. I want to paint this both times. I mean, I painted here. I paint without abilities when I'm spawning. This would be here. Try. Don't spawn correctly. I broke it. Just ticking. I don't have this. I do this. If I'm spawning, I have this check now. If turn evil time is bigger, I return. This is smaller. Return. This is the case. It's incorrect. Let's try. Spawns again. He moves again. Shoots again. Something. This was the tick. Okay. Now, because he has lines, I cannot see if they turn dark. The legs are too thin. It doesn't feel like it works. They are turning and now they are. This is. They are black balls. Okay. Can the factor be the problem? I always paint it. It might now. I want spawn time and this time. Still be. That's what I want to know. This cause darkness, I think. That character to clone this one. Let's say this might be the problem. Can take it. I say I go view, start and wait. Let's wait a short time. Now I am in I go. And I don't have a dark character image at the start. So it cannot work. This might be that I create once. I turn them evil. I create dark character paint. I need it on spawn clone. Here. Next try. As they turn from it. Slowly turn. And will they change? No, they are no longer balls. Interesting. Now I want them to let's change it up a bit. It currently goes from top to bottom. Right. It's the other way around. The top pane vector height. Let's keep it for now, but I have currently timers is what I divide by. Still have the turn time. Let's make some delay on it and once he's turning, if character turn evil start time, no clone, turn start time is state, then this is paint related, I do paint character default. I want to move his position slightly. I can CTX. I move the camera position. Also would work, I guess. Is it translate? Let's do translate of mass point random. Mass point random. I save and restore, so this will be undone. Say 2 pixels. Point out. Or better. And let's do 4 minus 2. They started. this is bigger. So I want to see. Because they have slim legs, stick legs, I cannot see when they will turn. It might be that. Okay. This looked strange. Because I know why. Because I paint. But this was fine. It looked strange. Even for 263. And it's better to go from bottom to top, as head is mostly legs are not always changeable by color. So I would not take top paint but bottom paint. I'm not dependent on bottom yet, so let's, if I to do bottom paint, be paint white plus character height art. And now I would need to left bottom minus height, I guess. I go up right. Slowly turning black. So now I have an idea. They begin to turn. Oh, completely dark. No. Oh, they. Okay, I think this is fine. Spawn to new. I think this is fine. Change clone. Turn dark. Visualization. Visualize if first. Okay, I have done this. What is my time? Still time. Sync. Okay. Now I realized I don't see, I mean, for this I know, but there is no max curse. So it's hard to know would be a good visualization. So for this I not necessarily need it, I would say. But I want to know if I pick up a legendary, if it's cursed. So this gun is cursed, this is not. Do they differ? There can be multiple curses on them. So I could like paint let's say I paint dark circles as some visualization. It need to exist. It's a curse. I have visualization. My curse. No, I put it here. I could so I don't. Do I need? Think. Could put information in here, but I. Minimized. Could try to generate everything from one number. Based on the level of the curse, I have more particles. Example. Less players cursed, so this is what I want to not, or I have. Be part of play data. Have so if how do I call it? Fire big hard to find center. The problem. A test app fire as circle. I could also think about if boss has curse and entire shouldn't be affected by map modifier. Could be. have to try and find out if it's interesting. To think. Is legendary class curse. Dark outline particle effects is more what I think currently. Just dark circles. Steam-like, maybe. This is what I want to do. Steam-like is relative. Circles floating up, let's say. This idea. Curse more circles. More bigger. So now I have a curse. I need to know circle position. I could put it on the curse. Do I have circles or something? Should it be part of curse is the first question. It's part of the transfer data. Doesn't need to be. But I don't have anything else, I guess. And it might be interesting. I have multiple curses. Game model F. Cleaned up a lot boss stuff. State. Do I have UI stuff? Yeah, I have stuff. also zoom affected. Syncing. Currently it's building related. Maybe not in the future. Let's start with building or map object. It is map object class building. This one gets painted. If it is cursed, I paint abilities. If it's cursed, I want to paint to put it over to curse particle effect. Paint. Paint curse. It just paints the text. I could paint other things in here. If I put particles in here, I can do it here. Let's call it particles. Do I put in here an array of circles, so positions? Let's start with this. Now I have on every curse export function particles I want to be time dependent. Paint is not. I don't care. It's not. Behaves on like paint particle effect. I have. Say I have cursors. A curse array. I have a position. I have game. Oh, if curse length 0, or it's say if I return, I just could take the first curse for now. Don't remember for position. Particle effect. First I create particles, then I paint what I need. So check if get okay const curse. I want one curse. Curse says 0 would exist because it's curse particles if this is undefined. I particles the array if curse particles length is small. It's interesting. I have no only position. I make it randomized. If the length is smaller, curse level divided by 10, let's say, then I can decide to call it const random is equal to if them would be I const factor should be this minus this. This is a smaller number. I need to change it if I want to have a positive. So the closer, the smaller. This will be value. Say I divide 10. Multiply this by factor. And if random is matter, so this value gets smaller. It's not a factor, let's say it's limit. I create one. Particles push x is addition x addition. Let's say the location a bit random. If I left right 5, F40 space, this is fine. I have to move for particle of gas particles, particle plus equals 1. It goes up. Every paint tick, interesting. Then I could paint particles tx. No, no. Oh, what did I press? Don't have a CTX canvas to the CTX. It's an arc. I'm not sure. This is equals curves level quite log 10 2 is log base e log 2 and plus 5 or something. So plus 5, so or find out yes, start angle, end angle plus pi times 2. Don't care. Is it color? Stroke style, fill style, I'm interested. Is it this way? Was it I only have fill right, so I have it still can pass, and let's assume it's this way. I move them up, I never delete them. I could no, I cannot delete this way. Curves, particles, length, bigger, 0, minus, particle, y, once particle equals particle is bigger, take y plus 20, take 40 for now, then I plus particles splice I remove Move particles, paint particles. Some particle effect. Don't use the game yet, doesn't matter. It need to be painted here. I check if class building character class versus paint particle effect. What does he need? CTX needs cursors. And I need position. There's a position. I have a paint top left. Checked X. Check tile size, so it's a tile. I'm confused. I have for loop of abilities. Paints accessoire. But the position is not dependent on, so I can move it down. Which means I can also use it here. I have no idea. Perfect. Incorrect direction, but exactly what I did. I move it up, and this will change my delete condition if particle is smaller than this. It's confusing. Something doesn't add up. I have a position X and Y. This is a copy. But it is moving based on my character. Is the position a paint position? Yes. Not good. Put in a paint position, which is not what I want. Do I have top left? This would be... Don't think I have ticking buildings, do I? I don't tick in them. I could make it. have the problem that I am painting correctly. Would be better if a map object can tick. It's fine if they can tick, and if they tick, I do the particle stuff. Can give them the correct position. Looks silly, but oh, it's still. This is also interesting. And so I took out, it still is. I don't take out the class. I take away the abilities because I need to remember, okay. Need to check for abilities and. This is not perfect, is it? I think I always have abilities, so it's fine. Take it. Just doesn't stop. So need to reset it. To reset. Always do first point. This is default value. Same for this can be undefined. So it doesn't need to be the this is in here now. To come to an end, but think. I can One needs to be fixed. Let's say that doesn't create particle effects when it is if I have abilities is a thing. I don't paint the accessoire, so why? It can be missing. This one is missing. Oh, I hope. Oh, it stopped, but now I have the problem that I also can have pets, and I have to check later. So I have to move this. But we move commented out as I don't want to have it currently. This is what I have to work on next time. So particle effects. This is started in verse. No better start here. Method function. Can put this in. Again, progress. Particle effects. Focus, let's call it. So now let's test. Come to a test place. Pause. Short tamer. What time should I do short? Okay, long sniper already. Long builder, successful. My to-do list. I had today's a new one for ball. Tamer, this is a new one today. Okay, success, perfect. I think the musician is still... It's failing. Okay, musician and builder are both on my list. So I think it works like expected. I can push so it gets deployed. Then done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.